epidermis, the dermis, and the hypodermis. The epidermis is the outermost layer that you and I can see and touch. Technically, the epidermis has 5 layers of its own, but that's for another video. Okay, so let's break this down. I'll start in a 5-part series of the layers of the epidermis, the outermost layer of the skin. In order for this to make sense, we're going to start from the bottom and work our way up top, from the stratum basal all the way up to the stratum corneum. If you're new here, welcome. You're late to class, but it's never too late to follow me. So what exactly is the stratum basal? This is the very bottom layer of the epidermis, basically the foundation. Think of it like the skin basement. Even though it's just one single layer of cells, it's one of the most important parts of the epidermis because this is where new cells are born. These cells, called the basal keratinocytes, keep dividing and making fresh skin cells. As new ones form, the older ones get pushed up, eventually becoming the layers above, until they reach the surface and shed right off. These basal keratinocytes actually has a couple of big jobs, making new cells. They're like little factories constantly building fresh skin, building a barrier. These cells start producing keratin, which is a strong protein that makes your skin strong enough to protect it against sunlight, bacteria, and losing water. They also defend your skin. They don't just sit around. They send out warning signals and help fight off germs when something is wrong. And they make your skin strong by making tiny protein filaments. These filaments give your skin its structure so it doesn't tear easily. It's worth noting that the stratum basal doesn't just have keratinocytes. This is where melanocytes are born, or your pigment cells. If you follow me long enough, you know that melanocyte produces melanin, which gives your skin its color and also acts as a built-in sunscreen for UV radiation. I've actually done a couple of videos on hyperpigmentation and melanocyte if you want to backtrack later. Then you also have Merkel cells. These are your touch sensors. They connect to your nerve and let you feel pressure, like when fabric brushes your skin. The reason they matter is because the stratum basal is your skin's engine room. It keeps skin renewing. It literally anchors the top layer to the deeper dermis, and it helps with both protection and sensation. Basically, every skin cell on the surface started right here at the basement layer, the stratum basal. In the next video, we'll move up one layer into the stratum spinosum, where your skin cells start linking together and getting tougher. Part 2 is coming soon.